Hello. Well, hello and welcome to another episode of This Old RC Truck. Today I've got my SCX10 axial Deadbolt. You may be noticing it's blue, and that's because I've just done a quick paint job on it. I peeled off all the stickers and gave it a shot of, to me, I think sky blue metallic. And did a couple upgrades in the last couple days. You'll get a chance to see that. Some metal eBay or Amazon steering links, including the pinion off the steering servo. I've got these RC four-wheel drive rock crusher tires, and right now, as you can tell, they've been crushing some rocks. She's been crushing some mud too. I've got this Proline bumper fitted on the front, which is kind of mediocre. The mounting system's junk, so I had to kind of customize it with my own screws. I've got metal bumper mounting brackets. It's a metal mounting bracket at the rear. I've still got to fix the rear bumper. It did break off, and you can see I'm taking a little bit of damage. You can see the original Deadbolt paint under there, but that's okay. And today, did a little modification on it. I got it dirty. I consider a mod and scrapes. I put these, I don't know what brand these are. Amazon, eBay, doesn't matter. Metal suspension links in there, and I 4-linked to the front end. Got rid of that flimsy junk. And oh yeah, I also put in these metal hubs as well. Actually, I think they came with the steering links, so I put it in all at once. I'm not running lipos yet, but one day. I've got a 5,000 milliamp hour battery in there now. And I've just been ripping around as you'll see in a few of these clips here. So generally I've been pretty impressed with this little truck. I haven't used it a whole lot, even off the yard yet, other than down with Matt in Victoria when I just got it. When it was green still, it was completely bone stock. So I'm going to be doing some more adventures with this yet. As the weather warms up, it's only like 5 degrees out here. Pretty nice though, eh? Not bad for January weather here in Nanaimo, BC. Way she goes. So I'm going to drive this thing around a little more and we'll see what happens next.